Hey guys, welcome back to the Garden Tractor Geek channel. I just wanted to show you guys what my updated snowplow tractor is. I got some things to say about this. It's got a 48-inch snow blade, 12 horsepower Kohler, hydraulic lift. Now this tire went flat, that's why I actually have it running right now, and it popped the chain off the left side. So I gotta go and get that pumped up. That's actually why I have it running right now. The valve stem's almost stuck through. So I want to try to get the tire pump on it before that happens, because then at that point I'm kind of in trouble. So and with it being in the middle of January, a snowstorm could pop up any week, and it does look like the pattern's starting to change. So we might be looking at some snow here in a few weeks, depending on how things go. But I just wanted to show this old wheel horse off to you guys. I'm going to go get this tire pumped up, and then hopefully I can put the tire chain back on. I just want to show you guys how the lift works. A little gas. Alright, ready? Straight. Left side. Hydrostatic drive. Pretty nice setup. It's been running a little rough the past couple of days. I'm not sure if I'm low on gas. It was running like this yesterday a little bit. I might just have to switch to an American carburetor. I haven't been too impressed with these Chinese carbs. Alrighty, well I'm going to go get the tire pumped up. Just wanted to show you guys my snowplow tractor. This tractor does have a limited slip differential, which means the differential locks up when one wheel spins. So that's a huge advantage over the 110. But just wanted to show you guys this video. Hope you guys please like this video, subscribe, and sorry I'm a little flustered here. Still getting used to this thing, but talk to you guys later. Bye.